Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a review of the Chinese diesel heater I got on Amazon and installed it in the teardrop. This will be how it seems to be working, the heat and everything. First I'll show you where I installed it, how I installed it, and then I will come back and tell you um, my feelings of it and how it's working for us. So I installed the heater in my galley because the ice chest was here and I had 3 pull-out shelves. This bottom one was just kind of extra storage, but I mounted the heater down here on the bottom. Figure that would be the best place for us to do it. I don't think you can see from here, but actually on the top shelf up here you can kind of see where I just cut a big hole. That's where it's sucking the air in through this side. When the galley's cold, it's really efficient, so it's pulling the cold air in this side, blowing it out there. Also, if you go underneath, you can see here's the exhaust, and here's where the exhaust inlet is, and then that's where the fuel pump is, and I put pieces of foam there to try to keep it quieter, but you still hear the click 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 click. And also installed this jerry can, which just instead of putting the nipple on the bottom of the plastic thing, we just put the nipple right in the bottom of the jerry can, which gives us 5 gallons of diesel, and it's got a lock so nobody can steal it or take it. As you can see here on this side, we did it to where this will suck in the air here, and it was the little tip. I guess I could flip it. You can see that's the adjustable piece that came with it to aim it, but if we aim it on one side, it blows the heat either right on the person over here or right up on this side and heats up really hot the air coming out, because you can't really adjust the fan. So what I do is put this right over it, which blows the heat straight across over to here. It blows the heat straight across and makes it work a lot more efficient. If you look over on this side here is where I put the thermostat, and on the lowest setting of 8, I found on the lowest setting of 8, with the doors closed, windows closed, with the carbon monoxide tester running, it makes it about 80 degrees in here. A little bit warmer. It gets really warm in here. So we open one window on that side and we crack this and put the fan on low, and on the lowest setting, with it being about 30 degrees outside, it keeps it about 65, 70 in that range, depending on, you can adjust the temperature by opening the fan more or less. It's either too hot, too cold, you just gotta find. So we constantly have fresh air flowing through. You do have that cool breeze. I might build like a little guard so that it's blowing the air that way. And it's an easier way to adjust the temperature. Okay, so that's the review. It's a lot. This is the 5,000 watt Chinese diesel heater. It was about $169. The jerry can was $49. I bought them both on Amazon. I love that the jerry can, how it's just mounted on the side. You can pull up to a gas station or just refill it right here. I mean, you can't really take the can on and off now that I put the fuel line in the bottom, but this is a lot nicer for that. I don't know if I'm wondering if I bought the 2,000 watt heater, because I know this 5,000 watt is definitely plenty on a colder temperature. Now if you get down into the 20s, it might work a little different. Last night I'd say we were probably around 38, 39 degrees outside. It was cold, not that cold, but it did, like I say, without any windows or anything open, it runs it into the high 80s, the temperature. So we adjust it with the fan. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and please remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video. I hope it helped.